Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video we will discuss why be reject in the interview. So I will talk about first of all the fresher, why you reject in the interview. So as a fresher, first round you have to qualify your aptitude round. Okay, if you are not good in the aptitude, then you will reject only in the first round. Okay, so when we attend the interview, right, so we know that why we reject, better than. So what is your weakness and what is your like how to work on that, try to work on that. Okay, so when you will reject in the interview, right, just note down why we reject, the why we have I have rejected, note down in your paper and work on that. Got it, right? Like today I rejected in the aptitude round, so you have to do proper preparation, you have to do more practice. We having the many content on the YouTube, just you can find the, might be your aptitude is not good, right? So we having the multiple tutor over there, so you can take the help from them. Second is your technical round. Okay, so technical round, like first, if you will not crack the interview, like if you will not qualify the first round, then you will not reach out to your technical round. Okay, so technical round is like you guys, I have already made the video on that. Okay, I already made that video, what you have to learn for your technical. You can select one profile like development, testing or DevOps. Again I will tell you the development. So development, like we having the Java, we having the Python. So you have to learn not only for programming, you have to not only learn for language, you have to learn framework, right? Like I can give you the example of like Python. So Python, but you don't know any framework of Python. Okay, so if you want to go for the Python development, then you have to learn Django framework for your implementation. Only for language we cannot implement our software. You have to learn framework. Got it, right? So first steps is your aptitude, you have to work on your aptitude. Second is your technical skill set, and third is your communication skill. So communication skill is like if you are good in a technical, so no worry about you having the very good communication skill. Just you having the communication skill, you are able to you are able to talk with your client and all. That's it. You should not like worry about I having the very, you should having the you are very good in the communication skill. No, you can work on your technical and aptitude. So some of you have qualified your aptitude round, you have qualified your technical round, HR round, everything you have qualified, but you did not get the offer letter, right? So sometime it happen. Okay, what happened? So company having the many project and client is looking for like resources and all. So the company has to show them, I having the resources, I already hired these resources. So that's they have to show the resources and all. So that's why sometime what happened, the company did not get that project, then your offer is on hold. Okay, so you should not worry about that. You should not wait for that, hey, I'm waiting for offer. You should not kill your time. Just you can wait. Okay, if offer will come, that is fine. If your offer will not come, that is also fine, because you have given the final round, then you having the more confident to get the another offer letter, right? You should not wait for that offer will come, then I will go. No, you should not wait for that. You have to continue your interview. So this is fresher guy. For experience, I have seen many people are struggling. They did not work in the real time and they're trying to get the job as a experience level. So but we have to understand why you have rejected in the interview. Got it, right? So I could see many of them, like just they just they have prepared for your interview question and they're going for the interview. Okay, it will not work in the real time or as experience. If you are going for or you are attending the interview, definitely you will reject. If you are rejecting in the first round, means you are not good in the technical. Sometime what happen, better. So my suggestion is, if you are searching job in the testing, so you should have a proper knowledge. Don't, like many people, like they message me, can you finish my syllabus within 1 month? What I can teach within 1 month? We cannot teach anything. Or you guys are going as experience. Please spend your time to a skill development, not for when you will get the time, when you will get the job. You will get the job 100%, but if you are not good in the syllabus, if you are not good in the your technical skill, then might be unfortunately or fortunately will get the job. Again you have to face the problem in the company when they will assign the task to you, you are not able to do. So work on your technical skill. Okay, don't go for directly interview question. When you have to go, when you are when when you went to that syllabus and you have you have done your practice and all, you're very confident, right? Then you should go for your interview question, for your take the interview yourself. Got it, right? So this is the problem. First round you have rejected because your technical is not good. Please accept it, and where is your weakness, try to work on that. And like I am learning the Java, right? Might be you are not clear in one subject, or you are not clear in one topic. You can search on the YouTube, you will get many tutors. Okay, every tutor having the different way to explain. Okay, don't stick with only one tutor. Okay, you can just go through that multiple tutor to learn your subject, so you will get more confidence. Got it, right? So please work on your technical skill, because in the as experience they will not ask you aptitude and all. And second thing, you have to work on your logical programming skill. If you are working as a tester, or as a developer, or as a DevOps engineer, you must having the one programming language, and you must having the very good, like you are able to write any code or logical programming. Otherwise you are not able to crack the interview. What I observed, mostly company just they start your interview from your logical programming. If you will not do the practice, then you will reject in the first round only. Please work on that. Okay, so don't worry about that, you be reject in the interview. Just worry about that why we reject, and we have to work on that. That's it. You have to do the practice. There is no shortcut. Okay, so that's it. And again you have to do the proper practice for your real time project. Always I always tell, please do the proper practice, then you will boost up your confidence. Definitely you will get the offer letter. Okay, so many of the company having the multiple rounds, first round, second round, third round and all. And if you will clear first round, second round is almost repeated question, third round is almost repeated question. Might be the panels are different, might be they can ask you the different question, but no worry about that. That's why I always tell the people, don't go for interview question. Please learn the complete syllabus, because panel will change, right? They can ask you the anything. They are not only one person will take your interview. Got it, right? So we have to work on the complete syllabus, not we have to work on your interview question and answer. It will not work in the real time. And you have to do proper practice for your real time project, HR round and all. Still you have clear all the round, and still you did not get the offer letter. Might be the reason is your offer is on hold, or project is on hold, so that's why they did not call you. But we should not worry about that. Okay, we know our weakness. Okay, so please work on that. Why we reject? If I reject in the any interview, I know why I have rejected, right? So we have to work on our skill set. That's it. There is no shortcut to crack the interview. Okay, I think this video will definitely help you guys. So if you are rejecting in the interview, don't frustrated. Okay, because if you will frustrate, you will waste your time, right? So please find your weakness and try to work on that. Okay, note down your weakness, why we have rejected, and we have to work on that. That's it. Okay, you should not worry about that, I have rejected, what will happen, will I get the job and all. You will waste your time. Okay, please work on your skill set and all. What is your weakness, try to work on, do hard work, and definitely one day is yours. Okay, you having the offer letter. Okay, so I have attended many interview, and I having the more experience. I have rejected in the any many interviews. Okay, then why we have rejected and all, just I have worked on that and all. Okay, then don't worry if you guys are fresher. I know uh, you guys like don't have a much experience to attending the interview and all, but my suggestion, please don't frustrate and all. Please work on your skill set. Still you having the any doubt how to learn the syllabus, what to learn, how to get the job, how to get the calls. I already made the video on Bangalore job seekers. Okay, and as experience guy, I suggest you, if you did not work as a real time and you are searching the job as experience, learn your syllabus properly. Don't do hurry worry. If you will if you will make the shortcut here, right, again you will stuck in the company. Okay, so you have to learn the properly, and that's it. One day it's yours, and definitely you will get offer letter. If you're having any doubt, any suggestion, any feedback, please comment below and share, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. My agenda is to help the people who is just struggling to get the job. Okay, please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon, so it will motivate me also and my team also, so we can deliver the content, so it will helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.